Like if their bars get full. Gravel, huh? That's so stupid. Garbage. Two emeralds? I can do that. Whoops. Let's see how many emeralds I can get from this guy. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 emeralds. Looks like he's getting... Ooh. Let's see. Buy some more pork. People are leaving. Pants! Leather pants. This guy. This is Leather Man. He sells leather tunic, leather hat, leather pants, pork chops, and frickin'. Yes, that's very good, Jimmy Fallon, Leatherman. You got it. How much are the pants? His name is 2 emeralds. Oh, come on. He's fucking Leatherman. That's all he offers. All leather. Leather. We offer a nice variety of leather. What the fuck was I doing? Oh yeah, this douche. He's a real douche. 4 emeralds for come on. Oh, this guy's gonna offer leather too. Leather. Nee. Yep, leather. You should get stabbed in the face. Should run around and just take out all the guys that they don't do anything. Time to go down. Jeez, look at all this crap. Crap. Oops, I didn't have it muted. Oh well. Just came there for the emeralds, really. That's all it was. Emeralds. Now that I got some emeralds, I think I need like 12 ender pearls. I have enders. I have ender pearl. Extender pearl. Wait, what? Really? Alright. Yes, the house. I'm just gonna close this up. Just because I want to. Okay, now that I got some emeralds, What? I don't know, I didn't watch it. Whoops. There we go. Shit. What do I got? Two. There's more two. I gotta get back to my trees, chop them down. I need wood. I need wood. Ink? No ink. Oh, here we go. The land of the super trees. Super trees. Wow. Wonder if that's coming through on the mic. Home's in the bathroom. Sounds like somebody... no, sorry, TMI. Wondering why trees don't count towards mining on the leaderboard. Damn it. There we go. Oh, that better be it. I figure I have enough ender pearls to go to the end right now. Or eye of enders, whatever the hell they're called. Both. I don't think it really does anything except for give you achievement points. The dragon is so easy to kill. At least it was on the 360 version. I did some pretty cool stuff while you guys were away. I tightened up the fortress. The underground fortress. Made a railing to it. Or a mine rail. I don't know. Railway, that's it. Ugh. Crap. Shit. Damn it. That's it? That's all I'm gonna get? 42 fucking trees? 43 fucking trees? There we go. It's time to tree up, yo. Tree the fuck up. Alright. Tree, 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 tree. There we go. That is better. Add a little bit more. That doesn't need to be there. The tree's going to be there. There. Lots and lots of trees. That's perfect. Since I got a lot of trees, might as well cut this bitch down too. Right now I need torches. I need, well, charcoal to be more precise. Wood and charcoal. Then I'm gonna make some books. Or maybe I'll take some books out of the library. I think there's like 4 libraries in that fortress that I found. I'll really clean that bitch up. It looks nice.